have a problem.
Maybe something is not working.
Maybe you are late.
Maybe you do not understand something.
Maybe you need help, but you do not know how to explain the problem in English.
Emma, this happens to me. I know there is a problem, but I don't know the right words.
That is very common, Leo.
Sometimes I only say, problem, problem, and then I stop.
Today, we will fix that.
So I can explain simple daily problems in English?
Yes, you will learn easy phrases for real situations.
Good. I need simple English for daily life.
Welcome to the English room. Stay with us because by the end, you will know how to talk about your problems clearly and calmly in English. Today, we will use a simple problem map.
A problem map?
Yes. Say the problem. Say how you feel. Say what you need. Ask for help.
Say the problem. Say how you feel. Say what you need. Ask for help.
Good. This map works in many daily situations.
So I do not need a long story.
Exactly. Simple is better.
What is the first phrase?
I have a problem.
I have a problem.
This is simple but very useful.
I have a problem. Can you help me?
Excellent. That is a strong beginner sentence.
I have a problem. Can you help me?
Let's make the problem more specific.
Okay.
I have a problem with.
I have a problem with.
I have a problem with my phone.
I have a problem with my phone.
I have a problem with my computer.
I have a problem with my computer.
I have a problem with my order.
I have a problem with my order.
I have a problem with my ticket.
I have a problem with my ticket.
Good. I have a problem with helps you explain the topic.
So I can start with the problem area?
Exactly.
I have a problem with my booking. Can you help me?
Perfect. Let's practice a simple problem.
Okay.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi. I have a problem with my phone.
What is the problem?
It is not working.
Okay. Is the battery low?
I'm not sure. Can you help me?
Of course.
Thank you.
Very good. You explained the problem simply.
I did not need difficult words.
Exactly. You said the problem and asked for help.
I have a problem with my phone. It is not working.
Excellent. Now let's learn another useful phrase.
Give it to me.
Slow. I'm having trouble with.
I'm having trouble with.
This means something is difficult for you.
I'm having trouble with my homework.
Good.
I'm having trouble with this app.
Good.
I'm having trouble with English pronunciation.
Excellent. This phrase sounds natural and polite.
So, I have a problem with and I'm having trouble with are both useful.
Yes, they both help you start.
I'm having trouble with this form. Can you help me?
Perfect. Let's practice at school or work.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. Do you need help?
Yes, I'm having trouble with this exercise.
Which part is difficult?
I don't understand question 3.
No problem. Let's look at it together.
Thank you. That helps.
Excellent.
That sounded natural.
Yes, you used 3 useful ideas.
Which 3?
You said the problem, you gave detail, and you accepted help.
I'm having trouble with this exercise. I don't understand question 3.
Very good. Now, let's talk about things that do not work.
Like my phone, computer, or internet?
Exactly. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
My phone doesn't work.
My phone doesn't work.
The internet doesn't work.
The internet doesn't work.
My card doesn't work.
My car doesn't work.
Good. This phrase is very useful in daily life.
Can I say, it is broken?
Yes, it is broken means it is damaged or not working.
My charger is broken.
Good. Let's practice at a store.
Okay.
Your card is not working.
Oh, I'm sorry. My card doesn't work.
Do you have another card?
Yes. One moment, please.
No problem.
Can I try this card?
Sure.
Thank you.
Very good. You stayed calm.
I said the problem and asked for a simple solution.
Exactly.
My card doesn't work. Can I try this card?
Perfect daily English. Now let's learn how to talk about being late.
This is very useful.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm running late.
I'm running late.
I'm running late means you will arrive late.
I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Excellent. The bus was late.
The bus was late.
There was traffic.
There was traffic.
Good. These phrases help you explain the problem politely.
I'm sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there soon.
Perfect. Let's practice being late.
Okay.
Hey, Leo, are you coming?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm running late.
No problem. How long?
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Okay. See you soon.
Thank you for waiting.
Excellent.
That was simple and polite.
Yes. When you are late, say sorry, explain briefly, and give a time.
Sorry, reason, time.
Exactly.
If this lesson is helping you, like the video so you can practice these phrases again later.
And keep watching, because next you will learn how to talk about not understanding something. Now let's talk about not understanding.
This happens to English learners a lot.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Good. But sometimes you can make it softer.
How?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Could you explain that again?
Could you explain that again?
Could you say that again?
Could you say that again?
Use say that again when you did not hear clearly.
And use explain that again when I heard it, but I did not understand the idea.
Exactly.
Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain that again?
Perfect. Let's practice in a class or meeting.
Okay.
Please finish the first part, then send it by email.
Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain that again?
Of course. Finish the first part first, then send it by email.
Okay. Finish the first part, then send it by email.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. I understand now.
Excellent.
I asked again and checked the information.
That is a very good English habit.
It is better than pretending I understand.
Exactly. Clear communication is more important than pretending. Now, let's talk about worry.
How do I say I feel worried?
I'm worried about.
I'm worried about.
I'm worried about my test.
I'm worried about my test.
I'm worried about the meeting.
I'm worried about the meeting.
I'm worried about being late.
I'm worried about being late.
Good. This phrase helps you talk about a problem and a feeling.
So I can say the problem is not only outside, it is also how I feel.
Exactly.
I'm worried about my test. I need more practice.
Excellent. let's practice talking about worry.
Okay.
You look worried. Are you okay?
I'm worried about my English test.
Why?
I don't understand some questions.
Do you want to study together?
Yes, please. That would help.
Very good.
I said my feeling, my problem, and what I needed.
Exactly. That is the problem map again.
I'm worried about my test. I need more practice.
Perfect. Now, let's learn how to say you need something.
This sounds useful.
I need help.
I need help.
I need more time.
I need more time.
I need a break.
I need a break.
I need to check.
I need to check.
I need to ask someone.
I need to ask someone.
Good. I need is simple and very useful.
I need more time. Can I send it tomorrow?
Excellent.
This phrase helps me ask for a solution.
Exactly. Let's practice needing more time.
Okay.
Can you finish this today?
I'm sorry. I need more time.
How much time do you need?
Can I send it tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow is okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Excellent.
That sounded polite.
Yes, you said sorry, explained your need, and asked for a solution.
Sorry. Need. Solution.
Perfect.
Subscribe to The English Room if you want more simple English for real life.
We practice useful phrases you can use every day. Now let's talk about small daily problems at home or outside.
Like what?
I can't find my keys.
I can't find my keys.
I lost my wallet.
I lost my wallet.
I missed the bus.
I missed the bus.
I forgot my password.
I forgot my password.
I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do.
These phrases are common and useful.
They are short, but they explain the problem.
Exactly.
I forgot my password. Can you help me reset it?
Very good. Let's practice a daily problem.
Okay.
Are you okay, Leo?
I can't find my keys.
Where did you last see them?
I think they were on the table.
Let's check the kitchen.
Okay, thank you.
Good. Now, another one. How can I help you?
I forgot my password. Can you help me reset it?
Of course. Thank you. Excellent. You explained two common problems. Now, let's learn how to ask for advice.
Advice means someone tells me what I should do?
Exactly. What should I do?
What do you think I should do?
Can you give me some advice?
Can you give me some advice?
Good. These phrases help when you have a problem, but do not know the next step.
I'm worried about my test. What should I do?
Excellent.
I have a problem with my computer. Can you give me some advice?
Very good. Now, let's do a full problem conversation.
Okay. I will use the problem map.
Hi, Leo. You look stressed. What's wrong?
I have a problem with my computer.
What happened?
It doesn't work, and I need to send an email today.
Oh, no. Are you worried?
Yes, I'm worried about being late.
Do you need help?
Yes, please. Can you help me?
Sure. Let's check it together.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Excellent. You used the full map.
Problem, feeling, need, and help.
Perfect. Now let's do a quick quiz.
Okay, test me.
Your phone is not working. What can you say?
I have a problem with my phone. It doesn't work.
Good. You are late. What can you say?
I'm sorry. I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Excellent. You do not understand. What can you say?
Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain that again?
Very good. You need more time. What can you say?
I need more time. Can I send it tomorrow?
Perfect. You are ready to talk about simple problems in English. Now you know how to talk about your problems in English.
I can say, I have a problem with.
Good.
I can say, it doesn't work.
Yes.
I can say, I'm worried about.
Very useful.
And I can say, what should I do?
Excellent.
Now, practice in the comments.
Write one simple problem in English. You can start with, I have a problem with.
I have a problem with my phone. It doesn't work.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more easy English conversation practice.
Remember, you do not need perfect English to explain a problem.
Say the problem, say what you need, ask for help, and keep the conversation clear.